Hello and welcome to our site. Mobility Scooters Plus is a small family business with many years' experience in supplying mobility products. We provide reliable mobility products at the very lowest prices, and everything is covered by what we feel is an unrivaled after-sales guarantee. We'll deliver your mobility product quickly to you both in the UK or indeed anywhere in the world. We've been trading for over 10 years, and we take real pride in giving our customers the very best products at the very best prices, so that you can enjoy your independence and make the most of life. All of our products are clearly priced and everything is delivered free of charge. There are no hidden costs or nasty surprises hidden in the small print, and we don't charge for card payments. In fact, we even check the net every day to make sure that we're offering the very lowest prices possible. All of our products come with at least a 12 months warranty, which means that you can buy with complete peace of mind. When you purchase any mobility scooter or power chair, we even give you free insurance and breakdown cover, so that you really can enjoy your mobility without any worries. So please have a look around our site, and there are plenty more videos to explain all the different areas. Wherever you see a little image of me, just click there and a video will pop up. See you in a bit.